Hello and good morning. This table is a 2 foot table that is sold on Wayfair, and I'm here to give you a review. Now, this table is very wobbly, but there are some locks right here on the side. It's on both sides. So the table is very wobbly, as you can see, but it gets a little better when you lock the sides. So keep that in mind when you decide to use it. This stabilized it a little bit as well, which is a mesh, like a little storage underneath it. The legs come apart, so you just put the legs on yourself. So this is very portable, and you just put it in there and you put it together. But as you can see, there's no real sturdiness. So if you do pick this up, it's good for some things, but it's definitely not going to be good for all. I don't even have to do much for you to see that this table is not not stable. So just imagine having a heavy turkey or something like that on this table. But other than that, just say if you were going to a craft fair and you were just going to put some bracelets on top of the table, or a bowl of potato chips or something, just leaning into this table, unless it's not going to slide off. But if you're sitting outside and you want to play a hand of cards or some checkers or something like that, this would be a great table for you to utilize for your event. Thank you so much for watching my review. This is for Wayfair. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.